Okay, Assalamualaikum and a very good afternoon, everyone. Okay, so I hope all of you can see this presentation. Okay, I want to share it with you before we are going to continue with our lesson. For this one is actually the lesson 15, action oriented task. It is the continuous of a lesson last week on Friday, which we already done for the lesson 14, okay, for the reading part and the listening. So I hope everybody done it and already snapped the picture and uploaded it in the Padlet link. Okay, so today we are going to look at here. Okay, so now if you look at here, so the date is 15 March. Okay, continue last week lesson on Friday. Okay, this action oriented task got two set of lessons. Okay, two sets of lessons. So lesson 14 and 15. Okay, so this one. Okay, uh okay, sorry, this one is typo. Okay, so now I want all of you to look at here, textbook, uh, page 17, pulse 2. So now, so the skills are 1.1.2 for understand the information, and then 4.1.1, okay, you have to give detailed information about yourself, okay, and others. This one you have to write it, okay. You will understand after we go further, okay, after this, okay. And then the speaking part 2.1.1, ask about and give detailed information about themselves and others. It's a dialogue practice and action. You have to record a video of speaking the dialogue. Okay. So this one got at activity 9 and 10. Okay. At the page 17. Okay. So for the lesson objective, you need to answer the question 5. Okay. At the link, in the link provided, copy the answers in E1. Okay. As well. Okay. So now activity 1, listen to the recording of set question 5 and answer the set question 5. And then copy your answers in E1. And then you snap your pictures of answers, of your exercise in your exercise book and upload it in the Padlet link. Okay. I need to see your answers. Okay. So now, and then look at here, the note. Please answer the link first and copy question 7. The question for the set of question 7, 8, 9, and then you need to copy the question and write the answer in your exercise book. Okay. Okay. I already uploaded the cropped page of 17 of the question 7, 8, 9, and 10. But you need to copy the question and copy and write the answers in your exercise book E1. Okay, so now that's all for the OPAM. I'm going to stop sharing this and I'm going to open the exercise link of Google Form. Okay, so all of you will know what to do. Okay, so going to share it with you right now. Okay, if you look at here, okay, so 12 March, oh sorry, it's not 12, it's 15. 15 March. Okay, Monday, 1:30 to 3:10. Okay, pause to page 17. Listening. Okay, you are going to listen to a recording and then you are going to write some your own detail, okay, your personal detail, and then you have to write first you have to write your personal detail according to question 7, and then you have to create a dialogue for question 8, and then for question 9 you have to practice the dialogue, and question 10 you need to act the dialogue. Okay, which we will do that in class. Okay, so now if you look at here, full name like usual, class. Okay, and then this is the passage of the page 17. Okay, the dialogue. Okay, here got number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. This one you need to fill up. Okay, if you look at here, the bold words, the bold means perkataan yang dihitamkan. Okay, what's your name, what's your address, what's your mobile phone number, have you got an email address, what's your date of birth. So all these questions you are going to do after this. Okay, for example, this one, set question 5. Okay, copy your answer in E1. Okay, for this one you don't have to copy the question. Okay, for this one you just have to write down the answer 1, 2, 3, 4. But if you got something, if you got confused, you may copy both of the dialogue, okay? Because you don't want to miss the what is actually happen or going on in the dialogue, okay? Okay, I suggest you to copy this, but if you are actually already you already understood this one, you don't have to copy, you just write the answers, okay? So now, answers for number one. Okay, I already prepared all the answers, but you need to choose it. Okay, first you need to listen. You need to click. You need to click at this link first. Okay, click. This is the recording of the recording of the set of question 5. Okay, 1.1.1.19. Okay, so for question 6 you don't have to answer, okay, because the question 6 is just for you to pronounce it, you just have to say and mention it correctly, okay. But if you want to do it, you just play the recording again and you follow the pronunciation, okay, ikut sebutan. Okay, and then for the question 7 to 10, if you look at here, for question 7 to 10, copy the question in E1 and write your answers in E1, okay. So question 7, 8, 9 and 10, you can look at here, okay. Do as the question tells you, okay. Do as the question tells you what to do, okay. For question 1, copy the question in bold, this one, question in bold that I have mentioned it earlier. What's your name, what's your address? So this one, for question 7, you need to copy the question here. What's your name? You have to write your name, and so on, so on. And then for the question 8, okay, here for the question 8, you need to what? Okay, write a new dialogue. Okay, write a new dialogue. Use the dialogue in exercise 5 to help you. You can use this dialogue to help you. Okay, you can use this dialogue to help you. Okay, you must change some of your details, of course. Okay, so and then you are not the UK person, right? You are Malaysian, so you know what I mean, and you have to change all the data, all the details there, okay. Write a new dialogue. Use the dialogue in exercise 5 to help you. For example, hello, I'd like to register. Okay, great, what's your name? Okay, so this is you need to create your own dialogue, okay. So for question 7, you just okay, sorry, for the question 8, you can look at the passage of the dialogue before as your guidance, panduan. For question 9, okay, work in pairs, take turns to practice your dialogue. You can do this with your family members or your classmate, okay. And then number 10, act your dialogue for the class. So after this, at school, all of us, I will choose 2 of you, okay. Doesn't matter you or your friend, or you are actually never done it before with your friends. I just want you to um act your dialogue, okay. Maybe I'm not choosing both of the person in the same time. Maybe I will choose each one of you to act your dialogue that you have actually done it, okay. So that's all for today's lesson. uh, Please look at this video lesson, and if you don't understand, you can PM me, okay. That's all for today. Bye. Okay, assalamualaikum.